Clifton College was established in 1862 and is one of the leading independent boarding schools in the country. Although we've got a great history, we try to be forward-looking in terms of our approach to IT and cloud solutions. And Cristie Cloud Services offered us that a very unique approach to dealing with our backup problems. Before, we were using another backup vendor, and that backup solution was causing us all sorts of issues. Regular failure of jobs running overnight, corruption, excessive storage space, all sorts of things, and it had a very, very large management overhead.
If there was a failure on the backup, then it would mean that I would have to put myself aside, look after that backup. It's just one man down. And in a team of 4 people, it's, one resource down, it's, 25% of your resources is already gone.
We decided to go out to tender to look at various other backup solutions on the market. The Cristie Cloud offered us the scalability we needed to meet our backup needs and the scalability we needed to factor in growth for the business. It's a fully managed solution for us, so all we have to do is literally just do the restores. Cristie take care of all the backups. They configure all the backup plans, they do all the testing. The only overhead we have is if we have a failure, we restore the data. So that's released up my team to do the jobs that they're actually employed to do, and has given an extra value to the solution.
The current backup solution, it integrates into our VM environment. We're running VMware and we have over 70 servers on there. A handful of these servers are business critical servers and we back them up. What we can have is a backup that is up to 15 minutes, whereas previously the best you could have got was 24 hours.
In terms of our ability to restore data, we've increased from a 2 to 4 week retention period to 30 days on site and over a year off site with multiple restore points. So in terms of that fitting into our DR strategy, it's a much better fit, much more scalable.
There's a very simple console. It's a very, very user-friendly, intuitive dashboard that you look at, and it's either green or red. And we're always looking for green. The other really key point was the pricing structure. And it's very simple. It's basically, you don't have to look at what hardware you've got, you don't have to pay for the number of VMs or machines that you're backing up. It's just by terabyte. So every month, if we're envisaging that we're going to have data growth, then we just pay for that extra data usage, and that's it.
Any cloud vendor here at the college, we have to do a data impact assessment on. Any personal data that goes into somebody else's cloud or data center, we check that out thoroughly and we ask a series of questions that we're happy with the geographical location, sharing it with third parties, and we make sure that it's signed off. And the Cristie solution had all the relevant ISO accreditations. The IMART data center looks really good.
It's been an absolutely amazing sort of experience so far. Right from the beginning, where I had to deal with the engineer who actually came and implemented the solution for us. It provided us with all the information that we needed. All the questions that we asked were answered for us. We've been trained into using the product the way we want it. We've not just been left alone.
We certainly don't want just a sales deal done and the solution provider to walk away. We want to build a partnership with people. I think that's very important in business. And Cristie didn't come across as the hard sell. They let us trial the solutions. Their technical support was very, very good. Picking up the phone to them, you can ask questions and get responses very, very easily. And the whole project implementation has been pretty seamless. The college is trying to deliver a modern IT strategy where we deliver all teaching and learning resources over any device, which allows students to learn from any location in the world. Backing up data for pupils is particularly important. If we lost pupils' coursework, that could have an impact on the whole of the rest of their lives. So it's critical that we have a backup solution that's dependable and reliable, and we know works well. We've got approximately 1,200 pupils, and data growth is exponential. Cristie has offered us a scalable solution that we can use within the cloud to meet the needs of our business and protect our students' data.